Struggling to find a way to hang things without damaging your walls or leaving a sticky mess? Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1, Art 3D Double-Sided Tape. Let's kick things off with the Art 3D Double-Sided Mounting Tape. Priced at just $5.12, what caught my attention is its strong adhesion and versatility as a household staple. If you want a reliable tape for your arts and crafts or home projects, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This tape is made from gel acrylic, which means it has 3 times the adhesion of regular tape. So if you've been frustrated with your tape not sticking well, you'll appreciate how this one holds up. It's also transparent, making it perfect for all your DIY projects that need a clean finish. Plus, with 20,000 units sold in the past month, there's a reason people are grabbing it. Now, some people complain that it doesn't hold up on rough surfaces. Here's the thing though, if you stick to smooth walls or surfaces, you'll find it works like a charm. For arts and crafts or light household items, I think this is a non-issue. This is perfect for you if you love crafting or need a simple solution for hanging pictures without nails. Skip this one if you're looking to mount heavier items or need something for rough surfaces. At this price, it's a solid buy for your toolkit. Now, if the limitation on rough surfaces with the Art 3D tape bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach with even more strength and versatility. Product number 2, woodworking Heavy-Duty Tape. Next up is the woodworking Extra Large Double-Sided Tape, which is a heavy-duty option priced at $11.54. Its size and strong adhesion grabbed my attention. It's 1.18 inches wide and 160 inches long. If you want something that can handle a variety of needs without leaving a mess, this one's worth considering. What's great about this tape is its advanced nanotechnology. This means it sticks securely to almost any smooth surface without the hassle of drilling or nails. Whether you're hanging pictures, securing carpets, or even mounting LED lights, you can trust it won't let you down. And let's be real, no one likes cleaning up sticky residue after a project. Thankfully, this tape is removable and leaves no trace behind, making it renter-friendly. It's already sold over 10,000 units in the last month, so clearly others are finding it useful. However, I did see some feedback about it being too strong on painted walls, which could peel the paint off. Now, some might see this as a deal breaker, but honestly, if you're careful or use it on non-painted surfaces, it's a fantastic option. This is perfect for you if you need a reliable tape for heavy-duty tasks or projects around the home. Skip this one if you're working primarily with painted surfaces, as it might cause some damage. For its price, it's a great value. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a budget-friendly double-sided tape with great performance. Product number 3, TADASTAR Double-Sided Tape. Coming in hot is the TADASTAR Double-Sided Tape, a great value option at $12.82 for 2 rolls. The first thing that caught my eye is that you get 240 inches of tape for half the price. If you're looking for an affordable solution that doesn't skimp on quality, this is definitely worth a look. This tape boasts heavy-duty adhesion, holding up to 300 pounds in total. With 2 different widths, you can choose the perfect size for your needs, whether you're hanging pictures or securing rugs. What's more, it's removable and traceless, goodbye sticky mess. You can reposition items without damaging surfaces, making it a versatile choice for various projects. Plus, it's waterproof after installation, so it works well for both indoor and outdoor needs. With 10,000 units sold recently, it seems to be meeting a lot of people's needs. Now, some users pointed out that it might not work well on painted walls, which could be a concern for some. But honestly, if you're using it on smooth, flat surfaces or even in your garage, it works exceptionally well, so it's not necessarily a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you want maximum value for your money with flexibility in use. Skip this one if you primarily work with painted walls or need it for heavier items. For 2 rolls at this price, it's hard to beat. Now, if you're after something truly innovative, the next product might just blow your mind. Product number 4, Alien Tape. Now let's talk about Alien Tape, which is a heavy-duty option priced at $23.04 for 30 feet. What intrigued me is its claim to stick to almost anything. If you want a tape that can handle a wide variety of surfaces and tasks, this could be the one for you. This tape is not just for walls. It's designed to adhere to a range of materials, making it incredibly versatile. Whether you're mounting photos, decorations, or even heavy objects, its strong nano-adhesive technology gives you confidence that it won't fail you. The product has been well received recently, with thousands sold, indicating a lot of positive interest. However, some users did mention that it can be a bit tricky to remove without damaging surfaces. Here's the thing though, if you're using it for permanent fixtures, then that's not really an issue. Just be cautious if you plan to move things around a lot. This is perfect for you if you need a strong, multi-surface tape that can handle heavy-duty tasks. Skip this one if you frequently change your mind about what to hang or mount, as it might not work as well for repositioning. Given its unique properties, it's worth considering despite the higher price. Now, if you want something tried and true, our final product is a classic that many swear by. Product number 5, Gorilla Tough and Clear Tape. Finally, we have the Gorilla Tough and Clear double-sided mounting tape. While the price isn't listed, it's a popular choice with a lot of positive feedback. Its reputation for being heavy-duty and reliable is what caught my attention. If you want something that can handle whatever you throw at it, Gorilla is a solid pick. This tape can hold up to 38 pounds instantly, which is impressive. It's designed for both indoor and outdoor use, so whether it's rain or shine, it'll stick around. It grips rough surfaces like wood or brick really well, so if you're planning to mount something outside or on uneven surfaces, this one is your best bet. With thousands sold recently, it's hard to argue with its popularity. However, some users reported that it can be a bit tricky to remove without leaving residue. For some, this might be a deal breaker. But if you're looking for something permanent, that's not a huge concern. Just know that it's meant to stay put. This is perfect for you if you need a reliable tape that can withstand the elements and heavy weights. Skip this one if you frequently change your mind about where you want things, as it's designed for a more permanent hold. For its strength and reliability, it's worth the investment. So there you have it, our top 5 double-sided mounting tapes. To wrap things up, we've looked at some fantastic options for double-sided mounting tape. The Art 3D is great for light projects, while the Woodworking is a heavy-duty choice that's easy to remove. The Tadaystar provides excellent value with its 2 rolls. The Alien tape offers versatility across surfaces, and the Gorilla tape is built for serious durability. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Woodworking because of its balance of strength and removability. On the flip side, I'd avoid the Alien tape if you plan to frequently reposition items, as it can be tough to remove without damage. I've put all the links in the description below. Check them out and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.